Welcome to Blooming Wildwood Homestead. Today we are going to make yogurt in the new dehydrator that I just got. I have an unboxing video a couple of days ago if you want to go check that out, but I'm super excited to see how this turns out. We're going to use a starter from a yogurt that I've really been enjoying and kind of keep it going, sort of like similar idea to a sourdough starter. So let's see how this works out. We're gonna go ahead and start with almost a full quart of milk. I'm using whole milk, low pasteurized, and I wanna leave enough room for about half a cup of starter. So I'm going to add this to the saucepan. This jar was previously sterilized, and I will be putting the yogurt back into this jar to put into the dehydrator, but it was already previously sterilized. I'm going to heat the milk up to 176 degrees, and then we'll cool it down to 105. We have cooled this down to about 105 degrees, and now I'm going to add about half a cup of the yogurt starter. We're going to go ahead and mix that together really well. Then we're going to go ahead and pour it into that jar that we used for measuring out the milk. We'll put on a cap with the screw lid. Let's pop this in the dehydrator. We are going to put our jar into the dehydrator. And we're going to move the temperature. To 105, and then we're going to keep the time at 9 hours. The book says it can take about 8 to 12 depending, but I think we're going to go for 9 and check it at that point. Alright, we're going to see if this yogurt is complete. I just want to see if it looks thick enough, and then it will thicken up a bit in the fridge as well. You can see here we definitely have some separation. I think this looks pretty good. So we're gonna let this cool the rest of the way in the fridge, and then I will let you see what it looks like in the morning. Now that the yogurt has set in the refrigerator, I'm going to show you how I like to make a yogurt parfait. Let's check our consistency. Oh, that is nice and thick. Really happy with how that turned out. So you can start with a clean canning jar. Start with your yogurt layer, whatever amount you decide that you want for breakfast. Next, we're going to layer on a bit of granola. And finally, we'll top it with some frozen berries. Today I'm using some raspberries, but I also enjoy this treat with some blueberries. You could put banana, you could cut up some of your canned pears. Any of those options are delicious. And here we have a gorgeous yogurt parfait. I hope you try this and enjoy.